Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed broccoli. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We need black pepper, salt, and then soy sauce, the water for after blanching the broccoli, and then butter, onions, spring onions, garlic, and then the broccoli. Just try to see guys if the color it's green already. Okay guys, so it's already good. Look at the color is already green. So okay, and then we're gonna put this one here in the water with ice because so that it will stop the cooking. This is called blanch, guys. You blanch the broccoli. Okay. Okay guys, and then saute the garlic. And then the onions, guys. The white onions. Add a little soy sauce. Little oyster sauce, and now black pepper. And now guys, it's time for the broccoli. Okay. Okay guys, look at that one, our sauteed broccoli. The color is very beautiful. Like this. It's good. Okay guys, so this is our sauteed broccoli. It's done. And we garnish green onions so that it's very yummy also. Okay, so I'm gonna test a little. I'm gonna taste this one. Okay, look at that one. Mmm. That's yummy. It's crunchy. Mm. Mm. So this is it. It's still crunchy, guys, and the color is very green. Yet we did not cook the broccoli. He is going to eat. Okay, guys, that's our sauteed broccoli. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and then personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.